Achraf Hakimi and Hakim Ziyech. Mbappe's off on his travels. Amrabat won't catch him. Mbappe's kept that in play.
Clamoring France, in particular with this guy on the ball, Pogba, but you haven't seen it enough from Germany.
Look at Mbappe chasing this. Hummels left, trailing.
They always are. Here's Mbappe getting away from Mukiele. Simakan has the pace to make it at least a bit harder.
Que se la lleva Mbappé, ya corre arriba Giroud, se mide con Walker, se frena con él, arranca nuevamente Kylian Mbappé, Walker Mbappé,
Benzema. Feeding Mbappe. Fernandes, score of the only goal so far. Mbappe has got away from Hakimi, who rather dived in. Mbappe taking on Amrabat. Mbappe.
Victor Lindelof sees the pace of Mbappe for the first time, and look how rapid the Frenchman is.